If you've ever wished for an extra pair of eyes on the road, imagine having one that never blinks, listens when you're in distress, and even contacts help if needed. Sounds like a game changer, right? Well, the Nextbase IQ 2K Smart HD Dashcam Pro might just be the security solution you've been looking for. Let's break it down. Nextbase's IQ 2K Dashcam comes with front and rear cameras, offering 1080p HD resolution, but its true standout features aren't just about the picture quality. With smart features like Smart Sense Parking, Guardian Mode, and Roadwatch AI, this dashcam gives you more than just a video feed. This dashcam uses proximity sensing technology to detect potential threats, sending you instant alerts to help you stay ahead of any danger. It even has customer-trained AI that can recognize situations and respond with voice commands or alarms. But it doesn't stop there. With Guardian Mode, you can set speed and location limits, getting notified if your car is pushed beyond them. Perfect for keeping track of teens or when handing over your car to a mechanic or valet. Need a lifeline when you're feeling uneasy in your car? That's where Witness Mode comes in. Just say Start Witness Mode and it begins recording, sending live footage to a trusted contact, offering backup when you need it most. And if an accident happens, the Dashcam's emergency SOS response function takes care of it all by alerting emergency services with your location and medical information. It's packed with features, but how does it hold up under the hood? The build quality is solid, with a compact, modern design that fits seamlessly into most vehicles without being an eyesore. The 64GB micro SD card bundle is a nice touch, giving you enough storage for the video data it collects. But all these advanced features do come at a premium price. Pros: Smart Sense Parking and Guardian Mode offer unmatched vehicle monitoring. Witness Mode adds a layer of safety, providing live footage to trusted contacts. Emergency SOS response could be a life-saving feature in an accident. 2K HD video quality for both front and rear cameras ensures clear footage. Cons: advanced features can be overkill for drivers just looking for a simple dashcam. The setup might be a little more complex than expected for those unfamiliar with tech-heavy devices. Value for money. The Nextbase IQ 2K is a premium product with premium features. If you're looking for a dashcam that offers security beyond just recording, this is one of the stronger options in its class. However, if you're on a tighter budget or just need basic functionality, there are simpler options that can save you money. Comparison. Compared to the Nextbase 622GW, the IQ 2K offers similar video quality, but goes a step further with its AI-driven features and emergency response. While both have excellent build quality, the IQ's tech suite is much more advanced, making it ideal for drivers who want that extra peace of mind. Build quality and longevity. Constructed with high-quality materials, the IQ 2K feels sturdy and durable. Nextbase has a solid reputation for reliability, and this model is no different. While long-term data is still emerging, based on industry reviews and the brand's past performance, this dashcam looks like a smart investment. Customer support. Nextbase has a good reputation for customer service, with quick responses and helpful advice. While you're unlikely to need much support if the product works as advertised, it's reassuring to know they are responsive. Who it's for. The Nextbase IQ 2K is perfect for drivers who prioritize security and advanced tech features. It's especially ideal for parents keeping tabs on teen drivers or those who want to be prepared in case of accidents or emergencies. Conclusion: strong option. If you value comprehensive vehicle security and the peace of mind that comes with it, the Nextbase IQ 2K Dashcam is a top contender. With its cutting-edge features like Smart Sense Parking and emergency SOS response, this dashcam offers much more than just recording. It's a digital guardian for your vehicle. If this breakdown is helping you stay ahead in the tech game, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews that put you in the driver's seat of the latest products. Thanks for watching. Remember, the link to check out the product is in the description box below. Have you used this dashcam, or do you have any questions? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep your ride safe and your tech sharp.